Everyone, in this video we are going to see about the introduction to electric vehicle. Okay, so let us detailedly discuss about the topic in upcoming slides. Okay, so before going into today's topic, let us recap the things that you have seen in the last class. In last class, we had detailedly discussed about the history of EVs. As we discussed in the last class, EV is not a new technology, right? It's an older technology which has been discovered in the 19th century. But due to the dominance of the IC engine in every aspect of the vehicle, this EV doesn't hit the market. But now, due to the many several factors, the EV starts booming in the market, and now everyone is started thinking to adapt EV in their day-to-day life. So let us detailly discuss the introduction part of EV. Yes, as we know, we are going to discuss our topic in the DT manner. So, in empathy part, why we are going to see this particular topic. So, the first is the why we need an electric vehicle, right? So, first and foremost problem is the polluted and air health issues. So, as we know that the great example is the Delhi, right? So, Delhi, the condition of air is very worst and it creates many health issues to the people. So, if we take if we take a data and survey, we can say that due to the automobiles, there are more pollution in Delhi. The many things are contributed for pollution in Delhi, but automobile contributes more. So they need some alternative in order to reduce some portion of pollution which was caused by the automobile, and then the high fuel cost. So when we take IC engine, we need to fill petrol, diesel. Nowadays, we can know. We know that the cost of petrol and diesel is high when you compare to the previous 5 years. So we need a remedial measure in order to overcome this issue. And next is the traffic and noises. So we know that IC engine creates more noise because there are many rotating parts in it. There are many more mechanical parts. So it creates more noise while operation. And climate change varies. So due to these pollutions, so there might be a chance and risk of the climate changes. So we need to address that kind of issue also. So, collectively in different part, we need a technology or we need a transportation mode which overcome all these problems. Like it should not pollute and it should have a low operating cost and it should not create that much noise while operation. It should encourage the sustainability and also it should avoid the climate change. So for addressing all this issue, the technology that can be used is the EV, right? So with the help of this EV, we can overcome the problems. And also, yes, we can overcome many problems related to the climate changes and pollution, etc. Yes. So, in EV, we are having different types of EVs depending upon its applications, right? So first and foremost thing is the battery electric vehicle, which is a conventional one. So here that particular battery electric vehicle is fully electric one. It mainly relies on the batteries. No other external charging is provided. Charging slot or it is not provided for this battery electric vehicle. For example, we can take Tesla Model 3, Nissan Leaf. So these are the best example for that. And second type is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So here plug-in electric hybrid electric vehicle. So here we know the hybrid means it is a combination of two power sources, right? So here the electric motor is combined with a conventional IC engine, and also in the name itself we can see that plug-in is there. So in this vehicle we can charge the battery externally. Okay, so for example we can take the Toyota Prius Prime. Next is the hybrid electric vehicle. So here there is no external charging is available, here two power sources are combined like our IC engine and the electric motor. And the last type is the fuel cell vehicle where the hydrogen it is used as a fuel to produce the electricity here by means of a fuel cell which has been kept in the vehicle instead of engine. So the best example is the Toyota Mirai. So this is the basic component of EV, the electric motor, battery pack, power inverter, controller, charging port, thermal management system. So electric motor is the key component for converting the electrical energy to the mechanical energy for vehicle movement. And the battery pack where the electrical energy has been stored in the form of DC, and a power inverter which converts the DC to AC for accessing the motor. And control system is used for overall controlling the process, and charging port has been available for charging the battery, and thermal management system is supplied to overall control the thing heat related to the batteries. So the advantages is that zero tailpipe emission when you compare to other vehicles, and lower running and maintenance costs compared to IC engine, and high energy efficiency, the instant torque and smooth acceleration can be achieved, and also it reduces the noise pollution. So the challenges is main is the driving range. So we cannot plan on a sudden trip with the EVs. We need to charge. It takes some time to charge, so there will be a range anxiety. So longer charging time compared to refueling, and high initial cost because the raw materials are not, or the many parts in EVs are not manufactured in India. So there will be higher initial cost while purchasing the vehicle, and charging infrastructure is also a limitation in India, and battery degrade. It will degrade over time. So we need to have some. A second or thought or second I mean a second plan for overcoming this battery degradation. So we know that in EV market there is a rapid shift happening nowadays. So as this in conclusion part, as this EV, it completely serves as another option in order to reduce the pollution, especially in kind of states like Delhi. So that's all about this today topic. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.